You will be amazed by this 2015 Kia Optima. With less than 80,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle stands out from the rest. Here's a stylish and capable Kia Optima, the midsize, family-friendly sedan that prioritizes safety and passenger comfort. With standard driver assist features, ample cargo room, and striking good looks, you'll feel confident on every journey. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: 4-cylinder engine, satellite radio, Bluetooth connection, power driver seat, electronic stability control, aluminum wheels, traction control, MP3 player, cruise control, 6-speed AT. You deserve the comfort and convenience of this striking Optima. Our team will give you an outstanding test drive experience. Stop in today.